NASA's strategy: extracting water from Mars unveiled. The revelation of water on Mars as ice has propelled space exploration into an exciting new phase. So, what is NASA going to do now? Our neighbor in the solar system, the red planet, is becoming the hope for future colonization as scientists intensify their explorations. With the discovery that Mars once harbored massive water bodies, NASA has embarked on its next ambitious step: extracting water from Mars. In today's episode of SpaceSaga, we are going to unveil NASA's strategy for extracting water from Mars. Let's get started. Exploring the red planet. Placed next to Earth, Mars has distinct characteristics. Despite being only a little larger than half the size of Earth, its gravitational field is just 38% of Earth's gravity. Considering Mars's orbit and rotational speed, it takes 687 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun, meaning a Martian year lasts 687 days. However, a day on Mars is slightly longer than on Earth, lasting approximately 24 hours and 40 minutes. Scientists believe these conditions are sufficient to support human life, except for one critical factor: water. As the lifeline of humans and other living beings, water is essential for survival. Consequently, every space exploration company has turned its focus to finding water on Mars. Quest for water on Mars. NASA's Odyssey mission, which landed on Mars in 2001, aimed to explore Martian geology. The findings from Odyssey excited everyone as it captured images of ice caps on Mars, marking the beginning of numerous projects to explore Martian water. In 2008, NASA's Phoenix mission confirmed the presence of water on Mars, not as liquid, but as ice. Phoenix even dug a trench 2 inches deep to collect soil samples, revealing ice within the soil. Phoenix didn't stop there. It continued to explore, discovering snowfall from clouds and finding salts and calcium carbonate in the soil. These elements suggest that Martian soil may contain nutrients that could support life. After sending these groundbreaking discoveries back to Earth for years, NASA lost contact with Phoenix in 2010. However, the exploration of Mars continued, driven by the promise of uncovering even more secrets about the red planet's potential to sustain life. Methods and challenges. Earth has known about water on Mars for some time, but the real challenge is how to extract it. Even after confirming that Mars has enough water for potential colonization, we face the issue that this water exists as pure ice deposits deep underground, covered by layers of sand and gravel. Extracting this water and bringing it to the surface requires an effective method. NASA has considered two possible approaches: mining and drilling. However, the ultra-cold temperatures on Mars present significant challenges. Mining in such extreme conditions requires a huge amount of energy, making it both high-cost and energy-intensive. Given Mars's harsh environment, where energy resources are limited, mining becomes an impractical solution. Rodriguez Well. NASA has proposed drilling through the layers of sand and gravel on Mars to reach the ice deposits and establish what's known as a Rodriguez Well. This concept draws inspiration from early 1960s U.S. Army camps in Greenland, where Rodriguez Wells were first utilized. The process involves creating a cavity through ice using heat energy and a submersible pump system. Here's how it works. As the cavity is formed and filled with water, a submersible pump cycles heated water into the cavity, displacing cooler water up to the surface through a siphon mechanism. This continuous supply of water is crucial for sustaining human missions on Mars. To power this operation, diesel engine generators were used in those Greenland camps. Red Water Drilling System. NASA and Honeybee Robotics, a robotic company based in Altadena, have teamed up to develop the Red Water System, a cutting-edge drill designed to tackle the challenges of extracting water from Mars. This innovative drilling system is currently undergoing rigorous testing at Honeybee Robotics, where they've created a cold chamber that mimics Mars's temperatures and soil conditions to assess the drill's performance. Simultaneously, NASA is collaborating with the Subsurface Water Ice Mapping Project, working closely with the Honeybee team to pave the way for drilling into Martian ice caps. The red water system integrates two key technologies: the CT or coiled tube approach and water extraction techniques. The coiled tube method involves creating a drill hole through Martian soil and extending it down to reach the ice layers. However, traditional CT methods face limitations when encountering ice layers. To overcome this challenge, the red water system incorporates a specialized coiled tube housing an insulated and heated hose, along with wires for downhole communication. As the drill penetrates deeper, compressed gas is pumped down to the heated hose. When the drill reaches the ice layers, heaters activate to melt the surrounding ice. The resulting melted water is then pumped up to the surface. However, maintaining a stable liquid state is crucial. Otherwise, the water could evaporate due to Mars's atmospheric pressure and temperature. To prevent this, the drill hole must be sealed after extracting the water. So, if these drilling efforts of NASA succeed, there will be a glimmer of hope to start life on Mars. However, even with water successfully extracted, the major requirement for life, there remains a mountain of challenges to overcome for the next steps. So, would you ever consider visiting Mars if given the chance to explore the red planet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're fascinated by NASA's groundbreaking efforts to extract water from Mars, be sure to like this video and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to SpaceSaga and ring the bell icon to stay updated on our latest explorations into the mysteries of space. Thank you for watching.